What is going on? This is not normal. There's a good reason for it, and I'll show you that reason in a little bit. Puzzles. Like I was saying, there's a good reason for that mess going on, but first I'm gonna get some coffee. Okay, so there's no coffee right now, but there will be in a few minutes. We've kind of wrecked the entire house so that we can clean up.
Hi, you guys.
We've wrecked the entire house so that we can empty this space. It's not
For Daddy to work in.
Yeah, it's gonna be my new office slash YouTube studio slash whatever we do in here. Anyway, it's actually very echoey right now, and so I'll probably need to sound treat it, and I don't know, maybe once we get some more stuff in here it'll be better, but right now it's just completely emptied out, except for that I brought some stuff in here that was just kind of randomly in odd places. Believe it or not, all of this stuff was in that tiny room. That office is not going to be actually done probably for another couple weeks. We'll keep you guys updated on how that's coming along.
Hey, the coffee cup's from our wedding.
It is.
Almost 11 years ago. Still good.
Yeah. Don't get any ideas.
Hi.
Joslyn was just explaining to me how to do a YouTube video. She was telling me first I have to come on and what do I say first?
Hi, guys. Welcome back to another video of whatever your channel is called. And then at the end, say, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications.
Make sure you guys do all of that stuff.
Yeah, and at the end you say bye.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we've decided to kind of tag team, and Jess is going to take this room, and I'm going to start bringing in the stuff for the office that we've been keeping in our master bedroom that's been cluttering our master bedroom for a long time and annoying both of us. So that's the good that's coming out of this whole thing, and most of the reason why this is even happening. So I guess I should explain what that room was before. What was it before?
It was my school room where I did school in.
Yeah, me and my wife homeschool our kids. Now we're moving their desks to their rooms and moving all of their school stuff. Well, a lot of it's actually going in here. And we've got to figure out what we're actually doing with the rest of it. But I'm gonna keep on cleaning up. Here's something new that I got. It's the Moza Air 2. If you want more information on the Moza Air, there's plenty of reviews out there. Go watch one of those. I'll tell you guys why I got this one in another video though. That's for another video. I'm gonna keep moving this stuff to the office. It's a little uneven now. I think maybe the feet broke off. Good news, they're not actually broken, they just slipped out. So, casualty of war. One of the feet did actually break off. See that? That's where a plastic piece of it broke off. What I'll probably do is just like Gorilla Glue it onto there and just leave it for a couple days. It'll be like it was a part of it from the beginning. And here it is, check that out. So much more room for activities. We got our corner back. I haven't seen that in a while. So I think I'm done in here for now. I've got a wire wall We can go ahead and close that. That's definitely not staying. They're making lots of noise. Let me close that door too. Those shoes are definitely not staying either. Considering the short amount of time that we've been doing this, I think it's looking pretty good. Let's go see how they're doing.
Daddy, please will you do the yes challenge? Please. Please. Please, Daddy.
How could you say no to that face? How we doing in here?
Done.
Done? Things have a place.
Yeah. It's situated. It's not completely organized. That needs to go to the curb like trash.
Like I said, guys, this is probably going to be a multi-part series. We got all the stuff moved from the bedroom to the office. What's it going to be like having our room back? I can't tell you what she said. Anyway, that's it for this one. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's it for this one. We'll see you guys in the next video.
You guys, my dad forgot to say bye. So, bye.